Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how to determine the coordinates of the turning points for any cubic function. So in order for you to determine the turning points of any cubic function, you just need to know how to derive. You just need to know how to derive the original equation of the cubic function, right? So let's find our first prime. Then after finding our first prime, we are going to equate our first prime to 0 and solve for x. Then let's apply our derivative. Then we have our f prime. Then 3, which is an exponent, right? Exponent multiplied by the coefficient. Our coefficient of this x cube is 1. So 3 multiplied by the coefficient of x. The coefficient is something that is attached to this x, which is the value of a. So the value for a for this x cube is 1. So we have 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Then you put your x, you just need to subtract 1 from this exponent. Then 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Then we have 2 as an exponent multiplied by the coefficient of x, which is negative 3. Then 2 multiplied by negative 3 is minus 6. Then you put your x, then subtract 1 from this exponent. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Then you have invisible 1 here. Right? So 1 multiplied by the negative 1 is equal to minus 1. Then 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. 5 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Any number to the power 0, even 100 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. Right? So that's how it works. Then 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Then anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. Which means this x is going to transform itself to become 1 because of that x to the power 0, which is equal to 1. Right? So this is just a constant. So whenever you derive, you just need to know that your constant is going to become a 0. Automatically it becomes 0 whenever you derive. Each and every constant on your equation, it becomes 0 whenever you derive. So this is going to be our equation that we are going to use to find what? To find the turning points. To find the turning points, we have our x-axis, we have our y-axis. Then we have our equation, which is in this form. So we have our TP and also our TP. Those are the turning points, right? Then we just need to equate this equation to 0 so that you can be able to find what? Those turning points. So we have minus 6 then minus 1. As you can see, it's a trinomial equation of a parabola. So let's apply our quadratic formula. We have x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then our x is equal to, then minus b, our b is minus 6, plus or minus square root of b, our b is minus 6, then all squared minus 4, a, our a is 3. What about c? Our c is equal to minus 1, right? Then all divided by 2, a, our a is 3. Then what is the simplification of this? Just punch this equation and our x is equal to 0 is equal to 2, 15. Then what about for the negative x-axis? Our x is equal to, or our x is equal to negative 0,15. So let's rearrange our coordinates according to our x values according to their signs. X-axis consists of the negative x-axis, but this side consists of the positive x-axis. So here we have our x, which is equal to negative 0,15. What about this portion? This portion we have 2,15. Then in order for us to find the y coordinates, you just need to plug this on your original equation so that you can be able to find the y value for this portion. And that y value is going to be negative, right? Then let's try to plug our 2 on our original equation so that you can be able to find the value of y. Y, which is equal to then 2,15 cube minus 3, then 2,15 squared minus 2,15, then plus 3. Then what is the simplification of this? Try to punch this on your calculator. I mean, our y is equal to negative 3,08. What about the y coordinate that corresponds with negative 0,15? The y coordinate, if you plug, you just need to put negative 0,15, negative 0,15, negative 0,15, negative 0,15. Then our y is equal to 3,08. Here we have ours 3,08. Yes. So this is the way how to determine the turning point of what? Of a cubic function, guys. Please don't forget to drop any question that gives you challenge when it comes to maths. Just drop any question that you are struggling with on the comment section.